RAV4, imported by UMW Toyota Motor, is available in two variants with 2-litre and 2.5-litre engines. Customers who purchase the RAV4, distributed by UMW Toyota Motor and sold through its nationwide network, are able to enjoy a satisfying ownership experience as they not only come with a full factory warranty, but also complete after-sales support. Let's start with the design. While it has been refined to fit the urban environment, the roots of the RAV4 as an SUV have still been retained. The two-tiered upper and lower trapezoid-shaped grille provides a wide and stable stance. On either side, the sleek and stylish LED headlamps are incorporated with the LED daytime running lights, providing excellent daytime visibility. The front fog lamps, located at the lower bumper corners, provide additional lighting when needed, emphasizing the wide and stable stance of the vehicle. The overall design of the RAV4 has a chiseled appearance with a powerful and tough impression expressed through the front octagon shape. Character lines flowing at the side further enhance its refined ruggedness. Protective panels finished in black give a bold and rugged look. The wheel arches, with their polygonal motifs, appear to hold the tires at a high position, emphasizing the raised body. At the rear, the trapezoid shape emanates from the license plate garnish to the rear combination lamps, through the bumper and tires towards the front. The distinctively shaped rear combination lamps are based on the polygonal motif, with the LED design that evokes a sense of sophistication appropriate for the all-new Toyota RAV4. The latest generation of the RAV4 rides on big 18-inch alloy wheels with a rugged 5-spoke design. The tires offer a good balance between comfort and handling, with a tread pattern that allows for mild off-road driving. The all-new RAV4 is available in 6 distinct colors: dark blue mica, red mica, grey metallic, silver metallic, white pearl and attitude black. The all-new RAV4 doesn't just look formidable, it also has the performance to back it up. The 5th generation of the RAV4 has a completely new powertrain, powered by a dynamic force engine with VVT-IE that is both lighter and more powerful. It's available in 2 displacements, 2-litre and 2.5-litre, with the latter providing a maximum output of 207 PS and 243 Nm of torque. So this engine gives you responsive acceleration, higher engine output and combustion efficiency that leads to better fuel economy. And all of this power is further enhanced with the Toyota New Global Architecture Platform, or TNGA platform for short, which allows for a more rigid vehicle structure to improve agility as well as provide a smoother and quieter ride. On top of that, with the adoption of the TNGA platform, it also allows for the powertrain to be placed at a lower level, thus lowering the center of gravity for better stability. Now, the TNGA platform also improves visibility by changing the position of the door mirrors that used to be placed at the window panels, and now they have been repositioned to the door panels, thus increasing the forward visibility around the A-pillars. Now let's take a look at what awaits us inside the all-new RAV4. With the smart entry and push start system, you just need to have the car key on you and press this button to open it. To start it up, you just need to press the start button while depressing the brake pedal. With the new platform, the interior designers took the opportunity to do a complete redesign on the interior cabin with particular focus to practicality of space as well as to exude a premium SUV atmosphere. Now, in terms of the look and feel to it, attention to detail has been placed at every inch of the RAV4, providing better refinement, spaciousness, comfort, and sophistication. The polygonal motif that you find throughout the entire interior cabin provides a unique combination of playfulness and toughness. The newly designed front layout of the dashboard incorporates the instrument panel, which is now slimmer and placed at a lower level to provide for better visibility for the driver. On top of that, you'll also find that soft pads with premium materials have been placed throughout the entire cabin, mostly where occupants are likely to touch. Right in front of you, you'll be greeted by the Optitron meters used in the instrument cluster. Now, these Optitron meters not only add to the premium look and feel as well as the sportiness of the interior cabin, but it also provides for great clarity under any lighting conditions. And on top of that, it can also effectively display important vehicle information to the driver. The 7-inch color multi-information display is able to be switched between analog and digital to suit your preference. Right over here, you have the memory seat buttons that are able to store up to 2 driver seat selections, and you can effectively choose your seat selections and activate it with a push of the button. Another great convenience feature would be the wireless charging for compatible devices that you can conveniently charge without using a cable. Another great convenience feature that comes with the all-new RAV4 is the dual-zone automatic air conditioning, so that the driver and the front passenger are able to independently adjust the temperature to suit their own preference. And together with the S airflow, this system automatically detects the seats that are occupied and would adjust the airflow directed to those seats. So it's convenience at its best. It's not just the air conditioning system, but the front seats are also ventilated to give the driver as well as the front passenger greater comfort for your journey. The all-new RAV4 doesn't just cater to your comfort, but to your safety as well. And with the latest generation of the RAV4, it comes with the Toyota Safety Sense, which is a set of advanced safety features that work together to give you peace of mind. And this includes the pre-collision system that monitors the road ahead using radar as well as cameras. And what it does is that in the event it detects a possible collision, it would automatically alert the driver and apply your brakes to avoid the collision or to reduce the impact. On top of that, the all-new RAV4 also comes with the lane departure alert with lane tracing assist. Now, the lane departure alert would alert the driver in the event the vehicle is swerving out of its lane, and it uses sensors as well as camera to detect this, and it would adjust your steering wheel to bring you back to your lane. And this is further enhanced with the lane tracing assist that consistently works to keep you in your lane as it detects the lane as well as the preceding vehicle. Apart from that, the all-new RAV4 also comes with the dynamic radar cruise control for all speeds, keeping you a safe distance from the preceding vehicle. Now, in the event that it detects the vehicle ahead of you has stopped, it would alert the driver and it would automatically apply the brakes as well. And finally, the all-new RAV4 also comes with automatic high beam that switches from high beam to low beam when it detects an oncoming vehicle on the other side. And once the vehicle has passed, it would automatically adjust the high beam up again, effectively giving you greater visibility without dazzling the oncoming vehicle. So these are just some of the great safety features that you'll find in the all-new RAV4. The 2.5-litre variant of the all-new Toyota RAV4 comes with a new direct-shift 8-speed automatic transmission, which is an upgrade from the previous 6-speed transmission, effectively giving you quicker and smoother acceleration. On top of that, the driver can switch between the 8 speeds using the pedal shifters without having to lift their hands off the steering wheel. 3 drive modes are available for your driving convenience. Eco will give you great fuel economy, Sport gives you better acceleration and performance, and normal mode has a good balance between the two. As a lifestyle vehicle, the all-new Toyota RAV4 was also built for comfort and convenience with your practical needs in mind. The rear seats can be reclined to maintain the rear passenger's comfort even on long journeys. Have you ever found yourself with your hands full when you reach your car? With the kick sensor power back door, all you need to do is a slight kick motion underneath the rear bumper to automatically open the back door. When you do not have many rear passengers and need a little more cargo space, the 60/40 split folding seats allow you to adjust the space you need. For example, as a result of the large cabin and boot space, you can fit in a 62-inch bicycle with the front tire removed. Oddly shaped cargo wouldn't be a problem. Or, if you have an affinity for water-based activities, you can fold down the second row to load a surfboard or store a 6-foot fishing rod. And should you have wet items that need to be stored, you can simply flip the floorboard over to its waterproof surface. Or you can lower the floorboard to a lower level to fit in taller luggage. If you have bags, equipment, or clothes that need to be hung up, the rear inner gate handle can easily take on the task. To close the back door, you have the option to use the kick sensor or press the button.